Hey guys, so a very important video. How does Facebook decide if or when to show your ads? This is for you to understand, and it's a very important one for you to understand because it will allow you to create the best performing ad for your wellness clinic. Now, let's try to understand it very easily. Whenever someone starts browsing Facebook, whether through desktop or mobile, through the app, a process starts in the Facebook backend that's called an auction. So auction is basically a process that allows Facebook to make a decision about what type of ad would this user be interested in seeing. Let's say I just started browsing Facebook. In the backend, the auction has started for me and it has decided that I would be interested in seeing chiropractor ads. And that decision is made based on my user experience, my browsing activities, age, gender, demographic, lots of other stuff. And that's where this Facebook user data comes in handy, because Facebook would already have user data about me, right? So Facebook has made the decision for me that I would be interested in seeing chiropractor ads. Now, the second decision making starts. That's called another process called auction bidding. So this allows Facebook to see, first of all, who are actually running chiropractor ads right now in the ad manager. And then based on a few different things, Facebook will decide which ad to show me, right? And now we're going to talk about those few important things. We know that auction bidding is the process that determines which ad to show me, right? Facebook may have multiple people running chiropractor ads at a given time. So I have entered Facebook and let's say 3 people are actually running chiropractor ads. Now it's on Facebook to decide which ad to show me, right? Among those 3. Let's say the ads that those 3 people are running, those 3 clinics are running, all the ads will have a value assigned to them called a total value. So we call that TV. By the way, you don't get to see the actual total value. That's just on Facebook's site. You don't get to see what your actual value is for the ad. Total value is a value that has a formula: bid times estimated action rates plus ad quality. Let's break it down. Bid is basically Facebook is seeing among those 3 chiropractor clinics that we were talking about as an example. Bid is basically seeing that how much is a certain or how much are these clinics or how much are these pages or ad accounts willing to spend for each interaction or each time the ad will be shown, each impression, if we may say. Bid is basically that, how much that person is willing to spend for the ads to be shown to me, right? The second one is estimated action rates. So Facebook will also see, based on the previous history of this ad, how many people actually interacted with this ad. And by interaction, I mean viewed the ad, liked the ad, any kind of reacted to the ad, commented on the ad, or like the best one, shared the ad. So these are actually interactions or the actions that a certain user or the users have taken in the past for this ad. So we have 2 things now: bid, how much that person is willing to spend for this ad to be shown. The second one is estimated action rate. What's the rate of action that people have taken in the past for this ad? Plus, so that's bid times estimated action rates plus the ad quality. Facebook itself, the algorithm itself, decides the quality of the ad, how relevant the ad is in terms of what you're actually trying to promote versus what is actually there in the ad copy and the image. Facebook can read images, Facebook can read texts in the images, and obviously Facebook can read text as in the content that you put as an ad copy. So combining these 3, bid times estimated action rates plus ad quality, is your total value. Now, this is sort of obvious that among those 3, from the example, among those 3 chiropractic clinics, the one with the most total value will be shown to the user. Now, who decides? That's also one more important thing. Who decides the bid? Who decides how much I'm willing to spend? That is on Facebook to decide, because Facebook will take your daily budget, because you have to assign a daily budget when you're running a campaign on Facebook. It'll take your daily budget and it will decide itself how much you are willing to spend on every action that a person will take, whether viewed, whether liked, whether, whatever. That's on Facebook to decide. So the bidding is automatic. This is an automatic auction bidding system. And then Facebook sees what's the estimated action rate and what's the ad quality. That's already on Facebook. And then it assigns a total value to that ad. And based on the total value, that ad will be shown, right? So it doesn't mean that if you have a low total value, your ad will be never shown. There's also a bidding system for that. But, the better TV you have, the more your chances of your ads being shown are. So that's that. And also there's one more thing you need to understand. If you have a better quality ad, you have to spend less, because as the ad quality increase, the pressure on bid decreases. If your ad quality is not that well, you have to spend more money. So that's Facebook's calculation. But by default, if you have a really good quality ad that's really relevant to your offer, what you're offering, everything like that, then you don't have to spend a lot of money to push that ad forward to your target audience, right? And also, the more people interact with your ad, the more people react to your ad, or the more reach your ad has, the less your spend will be. Again, the more estimated action rate, the less bid can be, right? So that's how Facebook decides whether or not to show your ads. If yes, when to show your ads and who to show your ads. So that's that, and I'll see you in the next one.